You can't be an organized packer if you don't have an organized closet. Hi, I'm Lisa. In the first episode, I explained my horrible packing style and committed to show you how I'm going to change that to become the packer of my dreams. Step one to accomplish my goal, which had nothing to do with packing but totally necessary, was to organize and clean my closet. So over the past week, I tackled that closet. I started by taking everything out of the closet. Then I sorted into 3 piles. Pile 1 was my uniform. These are the things that I wear often. Pile 2 was the maybe pile, meaning I haven't really decided what I want to do with these items yet. Pile 3 is the letting go pile. I knew this was going to be hard when I finished sorting and saw that my maybe pile was the tallest. Let me know in the comments which pile would be the tallest for you. These items of mine will be donated to a local women's ministry. I'd really encourage you to look for a women's organization to donate to. It makes it so much easier to say goodbye when you know that it's going to someone who really needs it. So, now I had to go through the maybe pile and reconsider each item. Have I worn it in the past 6 months? Does it still fit me? Does the color look good on me? Each item from the maybe pile had to move into one of the other 2 piles. In other words, keep it or let it go. While I was going through my maybe pile, my husband Randy, who happens to be really handy, get that, handy Randy, made a couple of changes to our closet. My problems were I had nowhere to hang my dresses and I needed a new way to organize my shoes. So he accomplished this by cutting out a piece of the bottom of my clothing rack to make room for the longer items to hang there. He also reconfigured our shoe storage area so that I had more room for my shoes. He might have had less, but I won. Great tip was felt hangers. They take up less room and your clothing won't slide off of them. I've had some of these hangers before, but I had to run out and get some more. You can run out to TJ Maxx or Marshall's and they typically find these, or you can order off of Amazon if you're not a shopper. And oh, by the way, I've got the link below. Once we had all the closets set, it was time to take an inventory and pre-organize the items that were going back into my closet. I've had many people suggest to me over the years that I organize my closet by colors first, but for some reason this method just doesn't work with my brain. As I binge watched other YouTube videos over the past weeks, I came across many organizers who now say that organizing by category works just as well. So that's the approach I took. Let me know in the comments which approach works better for you, by category first or by color first. My pre-organization categories were dresses, which I also organized by length, jackets and sweaters and cover-ups, blouses, shirts, which I organized by sleeve length as well, pants and jeans. Next, it was time to bring back in my clothing, which was a lot to tackle. I was so ready to be finished by the time my closet was cleaned out and organized. However, one thing I didn't think about was the cleanup that would need to be done in the bedroom afterwards. It took about another hour and a half to pick up and organize hangers, bag up clothing that was being donated, and figure out what to do with the other things that had come out of my closet, but I didn't know what to do with. Next week, we're taking a 4-night trip to Lake LBJ near Austin. So I'm ready to reveal to you all the tips and tricks I've learned about packing from the organization and minimalist experts I've been watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and you smash that bell so you'll know when the video is published. I'll see you next time.